Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain about logical instruction set. In logical instruction set, there are various types of operations are available. First one is AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation, NOT operation, NAND operation, NOR operation, XNOR operation. These are the logical operation. But microprocessor 8085, it will perform only 4 logical operation. That is AND, OR, XOR, and NOT operation. I am going to explain first how 8085 will perform the logical operation. You take 2 input. One input is A register, another input is B register. So it is an 8-bit value because the 8085 microprocessor is an 8-bit processor. So 8-bit value, that is D0 to D7. This is D0 is the LSB bit and D7 is the MSB bit. So LSB bit, the weight is called as 8431. Next MSB bit D7, D6, D5 and D4. The weight is 8431. The corresponding hexadecimal number is 55. Next B register value is 0010, 0010. Hexadecimal value is 22. If you do the AND operation, your output will be 0. So answer is 0. This is the binary value and this is the hexadecimal value. If you do the OR operation, you will get the value. This is called as 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, 7. If you do the XOR operation, you will get the value 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So we will get 7, 7. Next one is NOT operation. So what is the NOT operation means? See the first accumulator, 0 is there. So that is a NOT operation means 1. 1 means 0. 0 means 1. 1 means 0. 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. So you get the value as AA. How it is AA means this value is 8, this value is 2. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. In the hexadecimal, it is written as AA. So this is all about the logical operation. You can take some other example, XOR operation. What is meant by XOR operation? If both the input are 0, the output is 0. Both the input are different, output is 1. First you take the D0 bit, 1, 0, output is 1. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 means 0. Like this, you will get this value 7, 7. OR operation means addition, logical addition. 1, 0 means 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 7, 7. AND operation is multiplication. Once any one of the input is 0, output is 0. So automatically you will get 0. This is a logical operation. First we can see about the AND operation. In AND operation there are 3 instructions available. OR operation 3 instruction, XOR operation 3 instruction. ANAR. R means register. So I am writing as B register. ANAB. So A register value is 55. This is the hexadecimal number. Corresponding binary number. B register is 22. Corresponding binary number. If you do the AND operation, your answer will be 0. This is the hexadecimal number and this is the binary number. ANAM. ANAM means M means HL register pair. H value is 50, L value is 0. So combined together, you will get the address 5000. In 5000, what is the value? 22. 22, I have written in binary number. This is the binary number. A is equal to 55. So I have written in binary number. These 2 binary numbers, it will do the AND operation and the result will be 0. A is equal to 00 means hexadecimal number. A is equal to 80 means binary number. Next, ANI data. So ANI 22 means 22 value is immediately it will do the AND operation with the accumulator and the result will be stored in accumulator. A is equal to 55. So this is the binary number. Here we are having 22. So here there will be no B register. It is just 22. 55 and 22. It will do the AND operation, and the result is 00. It will store in the accumulator. XOR operation. XOR A C. XOR A C means A register value and C register value. It will do the XOR operation, and the result will be stored in A register. A is equal to 55 in binary number. C is equal to 22 in hexadecimal number. Here it is C. It will become a C. This will do the XOR operation, and the result is 77. It is stored in the A register. XOR M. So M means memory pointer. So H value is 30, L value is 0. So it will combine together, it will form an address 3000. The value is 5. Accumulator value is 06. Both it will do the XOR operation, and the result is 3. It will be stored in the accumulator. XORi data. So here XORi data means A is equal to 06, data is equal to 5. It will immediately do the XOR operation, and the result will be stored in A register. Next, ORA R register. ORA, that is called as H register. H register data and accumulator data, it will do the OR operation, and the result will be stored in A register. A value is 5, H register value is 6. Both they do the OR operation, and the result will be stored in A register, that is 0B. ORA M, OR operation. M represents memory. So memory means HL register. H is equal to 30, L is equal to 30. So the address is 30. So 3000. 3000 address data is 06. And accumulator data, it will do the OR operation, and the result will be stored in the accumulator. ORA 06. A register value, immediately it will do the OR operation with this data, and the result will be stored in A register. A register data, it will do the OR operation with 06, and the result will be stored in A register. Next, compare instruction. In compare, there are 3 instructions available: CMPR, CMPM, CPI data. What is meant by compare means it will compare whether the A is greater than B, or A is less than B, or A is equal to B. All the compare instruction, it will check whether A register value is greater than B, or less than B, or equal to B. First example, compare B. A value is 5, B value is 5. So when we compare, both the values are equal. So what will happen means, this is called as flag register. In flag register, it is an 8-bit register. 3 bits are not used. It is used for future purpose. Only 5 bit is used. One is parity, one is 0, auxiliary carry, 0 flag, carry flag. So it will be zeros and ones. If A and value and B value is same, this 0 flag will automatically set as 1, and it will become as 1. If A is less than B, this carry flag will become as 1. The remaining value will be 0. And if the result you are getting even parity, this value will be 1. Odd parity means this value will be 0. CMPM, compare accumulated data with memory data. So M means memory data, H is equal to 7000, L is equal to 00. So combined together, you will get address 7000, the data is 06, A is value is 08. Now we are comparing. So what will happen means, A is greater than that memory data. So 0 flag is 0, carry flag is 0. CPI 08. A is equal to 0.5 and the data is 0.8. So AL is less than the data, so the carry flag will set as 1. Set the carry flag means, so it will make, here it is 0 means it will make us 1. 1 is also means it will set us 1. Complement the carry flag. Carry flag, if it is 1, it will make us 0. 0 means it will make us 1. Complement the accumulator. This is the not instruction. Not instruction. It will complement the value in the accumulator. CMC means it will complement with the value in the carry flag. CMA means it will complement the value in the accumulator. Rotate instruction. There are 4 types of rotate instruction. Rotate accumulator left, rotate accumulator right, rotate accumulator left through carry, rotate accumulator right through carry. Initially A is equal to F0, CY is equal to 0. If you use the rotate accumulator left instruction, so this operation will take place and the result is A is equal to E1 and carry is equal to 1. Next, if you use rotate accumulator right instruction, this operation will take place and your value is, A value is changes 78 and carry flag is 0. If you use rotate accumulator left through carry, this is the left through carry, your A value is becomes E0 and carry flag is 1. If the input is always same, here also F0, 0, F0, 0, F0, 0, here also F0, 0. Output is change. Accumulator right through carry. So A is equal to 78, carry is equal to 0. You can see one example. I am taking input as FF. Input is stored in the accumulator. From the accumulator only we can rotate the data. In B register data, C register data, D register data, we cannot rotate. Only the data stored in the A register only we can rotate. So I am storing the FF value in the A register. This is the LSB bit and this is the MSB bit. All the 8 bits are 0. D0 to D7. All the 8 bits are 0. So in the hexadecimal I am writing as FF. Carry is 0. Now rotate accumulator left. Rotate accumulator left. What will happen means D7 bit will go, D0 will go to D1, D1 will go to D2, D2 will go to D3, D3 will go to D4, D4 will D5, D5 will go to D6, and D6 will go to D7, and the D7th bit it will go to carry as well as D0. So this bit will go to carry as well as 1. So your value is, this is 1, 1, all 1. So FF carry is equal to 1. Accumulator, rotate accumulator left through carry means first bit will go to second, second to third, third to fourth, like this will come. D7 it will go to carry and the carry will go to D0. So D7 bit will go to carry and carry bit is 0. So here now the carry is 1 and these 4 bits are 1. So that is value as 8421, that is F. Next one is 1110, that is called as FV. So there are 2 instructions are there: rotate left with carry, rotate accumulator left. Rotate accumulator left, rotate accumulator left with carry, rotate accumulator right, rotate accumulator left, right with carry. These are about the logical instruction set. In the next video, I am going to explain about branch instruction